a bakery decided to reduce their cake size by 4:5. So this part of the problem is about increasing or decreasing a quantity. Then the flour, sugar and chocolate content of the cake maintain the ratio 4:1:2. If a new cake uses 0.5 of the sugar, then find lots of things. So actually there are two problems here. First, this part is a three-party distribution problem. That means flour, sugar and chocolate in the cake is at the ratio of 4, 1 and 2, and a new cake. So these information is given for new cake, and the new cake use 0.5 kilogram of sugar. That is one quantity is given. So this part of the problem is actually three-party distribution problem with given ratio where one quantity is given. So we can find other quantities and the total quantities as well. So let us first solve that part, and then from there, by solving this part, what we will get is new cake sugar, new cake flour and new cake chocolate. So these amounts that we will get from here will be for new cake, but the bakery reduced the new cake by 4:5. So this is new cake. If new cake size is 4, it will be, original was 5. So from using these values and using this reduction ratio, we will go back to the original cake's defined components. So let us do this. First we need to find this part, solve this part, that we need to find the three components in the cake based on this ratio and this given sugar amount. So the ratio here, if we consider flour as party A, sugar B and chocolate C, then this ratio A ratio B ratio C is 4:1:2. And sugar, here sugar is B, so B's content sugar, that means B is given 0.5 kilo. Now we know that we need to find flour. So flour A is, we know this is a three quantity distribution problem where one party is given B. So that quantity that is B division its corresponding ratio B times A will give us A. So we can find A is 4 times B is 0.5, its corresponding ratio B is 1. So 4 times 0.5 will give us 2.0 kg. So flour used is in the new cake, flour will use this to 2 kilo. Similarly chocolate, C will be just this A will be replaced by C. So C times B by B, that is C is 2 here, B is capital B, that means sugar's quantity is 0.5 kilo and corresponding ratio is 1. So 2 times 0.5 will be 1 kg. So chocolate used is 1 kilo, flour used is 2 kilo, sugar used is 0.5 kilo. These are the three amounts for new cake. These amounts are for new cake. Now flour in new cake, we already found that. So this is our 1. Chocolate in new cake, this is our 2. Now 3. Sugar in original cake. So now new cake got this amount. So we know that if an initial amount is A and it is increased or decreased by an ratio A, say P ratio Q, then the final amount or new amount A prime, then we know the relation that A prime equals P division Q times A. So here the reduction ratio, that is P ratio Q, is 4:5. So this one is actually given 4:5. 4:5. Now all this sugar, flour and chocolate, these amounts are new in the new cake. That means A prime. So one by one, this sugar amount will be A prime. For this flour amount will be A prime. Chocolate amount will be A prime. And correspondingly, this is the initial or original amount. So for 3, when we are trying to find the original sugar amount for original cake, so sugar amount in the new cake is 0.5. So A prime is 0.5 kilo. So we need to find A. So we know that A prime, that is 0.5, equals P division Q, that is 4 division 5 times A. So this 5 will go this. So A will be from here, A will be 5 times 0.5 division 4. This 4 will be division. So 5 times 0.5 by 4. So A will be, this is 2.5. This is 2.5 division 4. So it will be 0.624125. So if we divide this, we will get this. So 0.625 kilo. Now for 4, same problem here for flour. So the new flour amount is 2 kilo. So the new amount A prime is 2 kilo. That is P division Q times A. Here actually in this part, A prime means new sugar, A means original sugar. Here A prime means new flour, which is 2 kilo. A will give us original flour. So P by Q, and P by Q means actually 4 by 5. So you can write 4 by 5. So if we multiply this 5 here, it will be 10 division by 4. So A will be 10 division 4, that is 2.5 kilo. So the original flour amount was 2.5 kilo. And the last one, chocolate. New chocolate is 1 kilo. So A prime equals 1 kilo equals 4 division 5 times A. Here A is the original chocolate. So A will be 5 times 1, 5 division. This 4 will be divided 5 by 4. That means 1.25 kilo. So these are the amounts of sugar, flour and chocolate in original cake. That means 3, 4 and 5.